Hi friends, and welcome to a new video on Park It Where You Love It. So in April it's still very cold in the mornings. It was about 5 to 10 degrees, but as you know, I love bathing all around the year. And this was in Germany still. I was on my way to France and it was a beautiful morning and a nice swim. So, yeah, I did my shopping, grocery shopping, and I have a new rule. I told myself, when is the point where I need sweets the most? And it's in the morning when I have my latte macchiato. And then I feel like it's not really necessary, it's just a habit. So I decided not to buy any sweets in the supermarket anymore. Only like a donut or something at the gas station when I have my latte macchiato. And so in the supermarket I didn't buy any sweets today. And I don't know why my GoPro doesn't want to stand up today. So I bought water with mango, is it passion fruit? I'm not sure how it's called in English. And it's without calorie, without sugar, without anything, just with flavor. 2 bananas for my cereals, and with it some buttermilk with what are they? I'm thinking of the French word fraise, fresas in Spanish. I can't think of the word for this fruit. It's incredible. Strawberry. A buttermilk with strawberry and banana with my cereals. And then for my bread, cream cheese with herbs and mozzarella and tomatoes. Still have some left. And yeah, so this is all. Oh no, and I got some erasable pens. I have some, but they are empty. And also one of them doesn't have the rubber part anymore. It's rubbed itself out. It's run out of rubber. And I like those very much, but you need the fill-ins, the refill pen. Well, I haven't found them anywhere, so I've found those. They are cheaper than the actual brand, and I'm not sure if there are any refills, but well, these are 2 and I'm completely happy to have those now. It's cheaper than throw away your paper when you made a mistake and you can't eliminate the mistake. or to use some stickers and so on. So the erasable pens are the cheapest option. So this is a parking space close to a little river, and camping cars are allowed, so that could be a very quiet place, maybe. But this day I'm gonna meet someone, so I'm going to be leaving this place, but first I'll relax a bit. Yes, perfect. Found myself a nice chair. I came back to my car because there were too many people on that quiet place. And now I'm so tired. Really noise and thinking about noise, and also I wrote a blog post about noise and about not having enough power, not having enough electricity. That all takes my energy away. So here I am with a new friend, and he has a dog, and this pool is very shallow. And you can't go down this waterfall. And now see me trying to use my roof rack as a roof terrace.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.